there's the barcode right there. I was very thirsty.
Can you get that?
Yes.
$29. $11.50.
Okay, how much do I owe you?
5, 6, $56.
There you go. Okay, some
9,
change.
5, 6, 5. $956
And also, I'm gonna put $20 on my credit card too, please. $20 on the credit card.
$6.
I'm gonna use my credit card.
Yeah.
Do I have to sign something?
That's just in case.
$5. $5.
Okay.
Can I get you, please?
Okay, and then do I need to sign something? Because I use my credit card?
6, 9, $47.
Thank you.
Can I use you, please?
She thinks it's a discount card.
Yeah,
like when you go to Kroger and you have to scan your key card.
Oh my gosh. Thank you very much. By the way, there's cleanup on aisle 13.
Hello.
Can you let them know? Cleanup on aisle 13?
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
First aid.
Okay. You'll do cleanup on aisle 13? Thank you. The yellow button. Yellow button. Push the yellow button. Clean up on aisle. Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Have a great day.
Thank you very much. So you close?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
The key.
The keys?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at Spain.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. You're right, Mabry. Very good. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay. Have a great day, too.
You too. Bye-bye now.